Hello students, how are you? I hope everyone is doing good. Now we are in Unit 5, that is disasters. Already types of disasters I told you, and in part of that we are learning, which means we are going to comprehend about the lesson. That means havoc of floods. So here havoc of flood and 3 parts we completed now today, and I am going to give you conclusion about this lesson. So before I start, some of the new words has come which we have to learn. See, I'll write on the board and you should have to note it down in your notebook also. Right? Shack, which means a small building made of wood or metal. This is called shack. And flee, run away from danger. Run away from danger. And next one, despair, which means hopelessness. Hopelessness, sorrow. Next one, beaming, cheerful, pleased. Right? Shack, muddy shack అంటే a small building or made of wood. అంటే ఇక్కడ here Rajeshwari who has a 40 years old widow woman, she lost her shack అని ఉంటుంది. That was made up of muddy walls and a small hut. And a flee, that means people run away from danger. People flee. Despair, which means hopeless or sorrow. People are, after the flood is over, people despair. That means completely there is no hope. Beaming and cheerful are pleased. So these words we should come across in this lesson. Right? These are the meanings and a new vocabulary we may come across in this lesson, in this part of this lesson. Right? So every one of you, please open the textbook. Let me read out first of all and give a conclusion about this lesson. The government sent relief camps as early as possible to distribute the emergency relief supplies like food, drinking water and clothing among the floods survivors. Here, the flood survivors who are in that particular area, for them, the government has arranged relief camps and as early as possible and distribute the emergency need or necessary needs ఏవైతే ఉంటాయో వాటన్నిటిని కూడా necessary supplies just like food and water or clothing, whatever it is, these are the minimum necessities. So the government has arranged. The relief teams reached some of the worst hit areas and found that the people had lost their whole lives. అంతేకాదండి ఇక్కడ the relief teams, the government has set some relief teams. So these teams are reached some of the worst hit area, flood hit areas, and when they saw that, they found this is the worst, and they lost everything, whatever their memories avvachu and homes avvachu and their loved ones, so whatever it is, and everything they lost. Thousands of people were misplaced from their homes. At the time, they were misplaced. That means వాళ్ళున్న ప్లేస్ నుంచి కాకుండా ఒక ప్రదేశానికి ఆ వరదలో కొట్టుకు వెళ్ళిపోవడం జరిగింది. That is called misplaced. All of them were in need of food and drinking water. So the flood survivors, they need first of all drinking water, food and clothing and shelter. These four things they need. They were looking on with wide open eyes for some help to meet their needs. So before the relief team comes, here the flood survivors who are these, the victims of this floods, they are looking on with wide eyes. Who will come to help us? Who will come to help us? No sooner had the relief teams arrived there than their joys knew no bounds. ఎప్పుడైతే relief teams, whenever these relief teams had entered the place, then their joy knew no bounds. They felt very happy, and a sight of relief rejuvenated their faces. And the people were given food, bed sheets, that means lungis and towels. Some of them were half naked. No sooner had they received the clothes than they expressed their gratitude with the pulled down faces of 2 sleepless nights. This was the situation here at the time they faced. Next para. One of the sufferers of the floods was Rajeshwari, a woman who past 40 years, she had been a widow of her husband, died some years back. No sooner had the relief team visited this family than they bitterly cried and held on the members of the team, sharing their problems with the tears pulling down the cheeks. So here, not only here the Rajeshwari is the only one example. Like Rajeshwari, there are many people are here. Just Rajeshwari మాత్రం ఒక ఎగ్జాంపుల్ తీసుకున్నారు. We had past years, and she was a widow, and she lost her husband some years ago, and she had a small shack that was very flimsy structure collapsed in this flood, and she and her 4 children, they lost their shelter and they lived roadside. The situation was very bad. For 2 days she stayed there with the 4 children without food to eat and water to drink. See what a drastic catastrophe it is. 4 days she stayed beside the road with her 4 children without water, food. She said that she had to watch her young children suffer, not knowing what to do. ఎప్పుడైతే ఈ రిలీఫ్ టీమ్స్ వెళ్ళి ఆవిడ మీట్ అయ్యో ఆవిడ she burst out loudly, and she said she had to watch her children యంగ్ చిల్డ్రన్, తనకి చిన్న పిల్లలు ఉన్నారు, వాళ్ళు ఏడుస్తూ ఉంటే చూడటం తప్ప నేనేం చేయలేకపోని బోరున ఏడ్చేసింది. 4 రోజులు అన్నం లేదు, తాగడానికి వాటర్ లేదు, తినడానికి తిండి లేదు, కంటి మీద కునుకు లేదు. సో అటువంటి భయంకరమైన సిచ్యువేషన్. ద రిలీఫ్ టీమ్ బ్రాట్ హర్ అండ్ her 4 children to a flood relief distribution camp which was being organized by the government in Kurnool. సో ఈ రిలీఫ్ టీమ్ ఎప్పుడైతే వాళ్ళని ఈ రాజశ్రీ కుటుంబాన్ని రీచ్ అయిందో, ఫ్యామిలీని రీచ్ అయిందో, దెన్ దే టుక్ దెమ్ ఇంటూ ఎ రిలీఫ్ క్యాంప్స్ విచ్ వాజ్ అరేంజ్డ్ బై ద కర్నూల్ గవర్నమెంట్. అండ్ దేర్ షీ రిసీవ్డ్ rice, blankets and other supplies her family needed. She felt that help came as a great relief in her utter despair. So I lost everything, I lost my hope. At the time, help came as a great relief. Many private donors were moved on seeing her children. ఎప్పుడైతే ప్రైవేట్ డోనర్స్, నాన్ గవర్నమెంట్ ఆర్గనైజేషన్స్ కూడా విజిట్ చేశారు, వాళ్ళు కూడా వచ్చి ఆమె యొక్క స్థితిని చూసి, సిచ్యువేషన్ చూసి, దే మూడ్ వెరీ సాడ్ అబౌట్ దేర్ సిచ్యువేషన్. అండ్ దే ఆల్సో ప్రొవైడెడ్ ద మదర్ విత్ సమ్ రైస్, కార్న్, సమ్ పాట్స్ అండ్ pans ఫర్ కుకింగ్. They also constructed a temporary shed for her family also. She expressed her gratitude in the sense thankfulness, with a beaming face. Beaming, that means cheerful and pleased. ఏమిటి ఆనందంతో ఆమె కోల్పోయిన ఆ యొక్క మడ్డీ షాక్ ఏదైతే ఉంటుందో, సో దెన్ ద నాన్ గవర్నమెంట్ ఆర్గనైజేషన్స్ దే ఆల్సో built some shed, saying that she would remain ever thankful for the help she received. మీకు జీవితాంతం రుణపడి ఉంటానండి అని ఒక మాట చెప్పి, దట్ మీన్స్ హియర్ help always pays gratitude. This was the great proverb which was inspired. Help always pays gratitude. Okay, this is about the lesson have a cup flat. So ఈ క్లాస్తో ఈ వీడియోతో మీకు చెప్పిన ఈ లెసన్ మొత్తం కూడా కంప్లీట్ అయింది. సో నేను చెప్తుంది ఏంటంటే, ఇమ్మీడియట్లీ యూ షుడ్ రైట్ ద వర్క్ బుక్. సో డోంట్ పోస్ట్పోన్. ఎప్పటికైతే వీడియో అయిపోయిన వెంటనే వర్క్ బుక్ తీసుకొని జాగ్రత్తగా రాసేసేయండి. డౌట్స్ ఉంటే తర్వాత నేను నెక్స్ట్ వీడియోలో నేను ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను. రైట్, థ్యాంక్ యూ.